Welcome, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. I want to talk about common carriers. Common carriers are vehicles that are used for the purpose of transporting people or goods for compensation, such as a taxi driver, a bus company, a trucking company, a rail line, or an airplane. Now, these common carriers have certain duties, and those duties rise to a much higher level than you and I as we drive our personal vehicles. They have the highest duty of care to make sure that the occupants of their vehicles or their containers or property that's within their vehicles arrives to their destination safely. They cannot be guarantors of the arrival, but they must do all that is humanly expected of them to make sure that their occupants are safe in their travels from one location to another. Now, sometimes people become common carriers without really understanding or knowing that. And when they do, their level of responsibility rises significantly. Consider this. A group of friends gets together and arranges for transportation of their children to and from school, and they all contribute some finances for the purpose of doing that. The person who's driving those children to and from school becomes a common carrier because he or she's doing it for compensation. The level of responsibility for getting those children to and from school safely goes up, and they can be held to the standard of or the duty of a common carrier as a result. Now, bus accidents, taxi cab accidents, and other types of accidents happen all the time, unfortunately. And if you've been injured in such an accident involving a common carrier, you need to find an attorney that can assist you specifically in obtaining compensation from that common carrier as a result of the negligence or the failure of that driver or company to do their job.